Hey, good morning everybody. So beautiful sunny day, still winter here, but it's above zero for a change. So anyways, the taco behind me today, we're going to put in the Screenprotech system over the instrument cluster, the center console screen, and there's even a piece that goes on the shifter. So hang tough, be right back. Gonna put this in the shop because it's too cold to do it outside, and let's see how to put this on the right way. Okay, tubes open, stuff's out, stuff's everywhere, getting prepped here. Just gonna clean, get all the screens nice and clean, and start sticking this stuff on. So Screenprotech, do your thing. So here in my filthy dirty taco, we're going to do that, and that. So let's get cleaned up. Okay, so part of the cleaning process here is we're using tack cloth. So we used a spray cleaner and tack cloth just to make sure there's like absolutely no lint left on there. We want to get this as perfect as possible because, well, any dirt and crud underneath is going to be a bad day. So Screen Prep, they give you the little bottle, has the stuff in it already. You just add water, moisturize your screen, find the edge. Be kind of nice if they had the little corner pull tabs, but not too difficult. There we go. Once you get that peeled off, get your orientation. Now they say to spray both sides when you look at their video, but when you're in the hands of a seasoned tint installer, doesn't look like there's really any reason to. You had ample spray on the screen. Now, compared to some that don't have the buttons, the Tacoma, of course, has, my steady camera here, has all kinds of little buttons that it goes around, not just in between, so the alignment process is even a little more difficult than just your standard square screen. Screenprotech has a video, and it's on a Chevy that has no buttons, has nothing to possibly be out of alignment, just a nice square screen, so the skill level here is quite a bit higher. So now once you get your Screenprotech in where you want it, they supply you with a little squeegee, and you start from the center and work your way out. Get rid of those bubbles.
I made that easier the first time.
And yes, pull the bottom buttons off. Definitely make things easier. And get your bubbles out with your squeegee the best you can. They provide you with a nice little soft cloth that won't scratch, and well, this isn't supposed to scratch anyway, but Alright, so next we get the little screen by your shifter, and you might say, well, who cares if that gets scratched? Well, I guess the answer is me. They make a kit for it, so we'll get that cleaned up. That one will be nice and easy to put on, and by comparison, no buttons or protrusions, so we'll get after that one. So again, just dressing it up with the spray and the cheesecloth to make sure there's no dust or lint. Want perfection, and find it on the sheet now. It's all pre-moistened. Just gonna lay that bad boy in there. Kind of hard to get a good shot of this one, but you get it. Same as the last one. So we'll get this on, and then we'll hit the instrument cluster. That's going to be a little less fun in there. Okay, we'll skip the cleanup of the instrument cluster part, and we'll just go straight to applying it. Doesn't look like as much fun as the other one, because of course you're working down in a hole, and that's never good. Well, unless your hole's full of diamonds. But this one's not. It's gonna be a bit of a pain in the neck, so let's let the pro do what he does. As before, we get it all sprayed up, ready to lay in there. It's not a great angle for this. Taco instrument clusters tucked back in there really nice, so you're working around the steering wheel. You can't get it up or down to get it out of the way completely. And really all you have to maneuver around is the little button in there for the for your odometer and your dimmer. If you didn't know that, that's also your dimmer switch for your dash. I did not know that until not very long ago. So pretty much like the others, get it in place and squeegee out all that water and bubbles. So some finishing touches. The better you do like this, getting every single little bubble out of there, the better the final result will be, and it won't take 3 days for the last of the little bubbles to get out.
It's your second one.
So there you go. Look at that. You can tell nothing. It's just protected. We got the screen done there. We've got the screen done there. Just wiping off here. All done. And they can be a little hazy for a day or so. I think it even says that in the Screenprotech booklet, an online thing there. So yeah, give it a couple of days to work any little tiny micro bubbles out. Get the glue will completely dry and it won't be hazy anymore, and you should have perfection that you can clean without worrying about scratching. So alright, a final thought here. It was actually easier to install than I expected. I guess because I didn't do it, I had a professional do it. You may or may not recognize him from a video I did where he actually did all the tinting of the glass in this truck. Fantastic job. So who better than to install a film on something than a guy who does window tinting for a living? So yeah, owns the business. Fantastic guy, fantastic place. Nocturnal tinting, thank you very much. Screenprotech, I have no affiliation with. I just picked them because they had a good reputation. I did have questions before I started, and they had answers right away. Great customer service. So I'm actually gonna take off. I'm gonna go get my wife's RAV4, her 21 RAV4. I also have a kit from Screenprotech for that, so we're gonna do that as well. So thanks for watching the video. I'll maybe do an update in a few months or something after I've cleaned it a few times and see that it doesn't scratch or anything. So they do advertise it does fill little scratches if you've already got a scratch screen. However, this truck being brand new, I haven't even cleaned the inside yet. Shame on me. But yeah, so no scratches or anything. Mine was like factory new when we put it on, and so now it'll stay that way. So anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.